Well, it's warm out. Thought I'd give you guys an update. I've been slowly making a little bit of progress on the skidder over here. Been doing it in the evenings as I've had free time. It's the summertime, so it's just busy with family, and we tore off the front deck of our house to rebuild that, and I just got a lot of hats in the box right now. So let me show you what we're working on with the skidder so far. All right, well, I got the lower radiator hose installed, hydraulic coupler on, the belt is on, the water pump is installed, the radiator bottom bolts are in, and I put rubber bushings in here, right there. Yeah, so I guess the next thing on the list is I need to take this tube. It's 1.25 inches, but it's in a horrible spot. I'll show you. All right, so we're on top of the skidder here, and this tube, this metal tube. So put my soda down here. Side note, Merchant's Craft, my favorite soda in the whole world. Way down here, you see that fitting down there, 1.25 inches. I got a 1/4 turn on it with the, or not even that, a 1/16 of a turn on it with a crow's foot. I got some real short wrenches, hydraulic wrenches. I might be able to get that off, but I want to get it off so I can heat it up with the torch and straighten it out the right way. Because once I get this tube down, it lays over the top of the radiator, and then I can install the nose and motor mounts. So, but this tube is what we're going to work on today. There, that was a struggle. Now I guess I'll put it in the vise, and man, I don't know. Maybe I can bend this back without kinking it too bad. I mean, it's already kinked, so I guess if it doesn't work, then I'll just cut it and put a piece of hose between them and a hose clamp. I think it just return line anyways, considering this. The pipe is on, and I took the torch to it and put some heat on it and kind of tried to work it around and get it straight. It's still got some kinks in it, but it's quite a bit better. And I put it in the vise and kind of squared it up. So, looks good. And then also, climb down off this thing. It's hard to do without a blade because you can't just walk down the arms, especially with one hand. I went and put the, I don't know if you guys can see him. See the bolt hanging down right, oh, get out of the way, hose. Right there. Got the motor mounts in on both sides. And the top ones, so there's that plate right there where this hose goes by. Then that's a rubber bushing in there, encapsulated in it with a piece of metal. Those are in good shape, but below it has these. And these are just oil soaked and falling apart. So I need to get 2 of these. I'm gonna just take some measurements and order them. And I can they go on the bottom and have a big washer, and they just get sucked up there. So, but the top, I need to put these motor mounts in. I was having a hard time finding them. Maybe one of you guys know them, but you can see it right there. But now it's in, and that raised this level so that I can slide the nose in under here. So, I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the old link belt and grab that nose and try to slide it in there. Well, that was a struggle all by myself, but I mean, I do have a loader, but getting that lined up and in there was a pain. See, that radiator sits way back in there. But I got the bolt holes lined up, and I actually wrapped the chain around these, and that worked pretty good. I did have to grind off, I'm assuming it's, I don't know if it's a hood latch or what, but someone welded a piece of angle iron in here and I couldn't get it past the radiator, and I fought it. Finally I just took a grinder and cut the welds off. But the nose is on. Really excited. I'm gonna go ahead and bolt them down now and put the loader away. Starting to look like a skidder now with the nose on there. So all bolted down. starting to come together. I still need to go to get an upper radiator hose. The one I ordered online for like 35 bucks was the wrong one. It said 440B, but whatever. It's bolted down. Still need to do the oil cooler and air filter in here before I work on putting the grill back on. But got that done, got that tube so it's not sticking up looking all silly. So, all right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.